Do you want to understand real English conversations in everyday situations?
And do you want to speak English more naturally and confidently?
Today, you'll listen to a fun and easy English conversation about traveling and vacations.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening and speaking naturally.
So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy today's conversation. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, we're talking about travel, vacations, and fun trips.
You'll hear simple daily English expressions that native speakers use naturally.
Before we begin, thank you so much for supporting this channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below.
All right, Emily, where are we traveling today?
Haha, anywhere with good food and beautiful views.
That sounds perfect.
Emily, do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Really?
Of course, traveling makes me happy.
Same here.
Do you prefer beaches or mountains?
Probably beaches.
Nice choice.
I love relaxing near the ocean.
That sounds peaceful.
What about you?
I prefer mountains.
Really?
Yes, fresh air, nature, quiet places.
That sounds relaxing too.
One time I visited a mountain village.
How was it?
Beautiful, but very cold. I wore 3 jackets.
No way.
Seriously.
What about everyone listening? Do you prefer beaches or mountains?
Tell us in the comments.
Do you pack early before a trip?
Absolutely not.
Really?
I always pack at the last minute.
That sounds stressful.
It is.
One time, I packed 1 hour before my flight.
Seriously?
Yes, I almost forgot my passport.
Oh no.
Luckily, I remembered before leaving home.
That's good.
Do you usually bring too many clothes?
Always. I pack for every possible situation.
Like what?
Hot weather, cold weather, rain.
That's smart, actually.
But my suitcase becomes super heavy. One time, my suitcase was too heavy at the airport.
What happened?
I had to remove some clothes in front of everyone.
No way.
Very embarrassing.
Poor Paul.
What about you guys listening? Do you pack early or late?
Tell us in the comments. Do you prefer hotels or staying at home during vacations?
Hotels sometimes feel exciting.
I agree. Especially hotels with good breakfast.
Breakfast is important.
Very important. What's the best hotel breakfast you've ever had?
Probably pancakes and fresh fruit.
That sounds delicious. What about you?
Honestly, free coffee.
Of course.
Coffee makes every vacation better.
Do you like taking photos during trips?
Too many photos.
Same.
Sometimes I spend more time taking photos than relaxing.
Me too.
One time I dropped my phone while taking a picture.
Oh no.
Luckily, it didn't break.
That's lucky.
Do you enjoy long vacations?
Yes, but short trips are nice too.
I agree.
Even a small trip can help you relax.
Exactly.
What about everyone listening? What's your dream vacation?
And where do you want to travel someday?
Tell us in the comments. Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just keep listening and practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson on Everyday English Learning.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.